Welcome to Vantrue Intelligence Features Introduction. Vantrue Intelligence provides users with a precise, personalized, and efficient smart driving assistance experience. Front ADAS. The Front ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, provides comprehensive real-time monitoring of the road ahead. By analyzing footage from the front camera and leveraging Vantrue's proprietary AI algorithms, it accurately delivers features such as forward collision warning, lane departure warning, forward vehicle start alarm, and virtual bumper collision alarm. These functions are supported by both audible and visual alerts, offering all-around protection for driving safety. Before using the Front ADAS for the first time, please complete the initial automatic calibration. The following features will only function properly once calibration is successfully completed. Forward collision warning. While the vehicle is in motion, the dash cam continuously monitors the traffic ahead. If a potential risk of collision with the vehicle in front is detected, it will issue a voice alert saying,
"Close following. Please keep your distance,"
along with a warning icon displayed on the dash cam screen. Pedestrian detection. While the vehicle is in motion, the dash cam continuously monitors pedestrians and non-motorized riders ahead. If a potential collision risk is detected, it will issue a voice alert.
"Pedestrian detected,"
along with a warning icon displayed on the dash cam screen. Lane departure warning. When the vehicle is driving normally, the dash cam continuously detects lane markings in real time. If it identifies a potential unintentional lane departure, it will issue a voice alert.
"Lane departure detected,"
and display a warning icon on the dash cam screen. Forward vehicle start alarm. When the vehicle is stationary, the dash cam continuously monitors the vehicle ahead in real time. If the vehicle in front starts moving while your car remains stopped, the dash cam will issue a voice prompt.
"Forward vehicle start,"
along with a warning icon on the screen to help ensure safe and timely driving. Virtual bumper collision alarm. When the vehicle is moving slowly at low speed, the dash cam continuously monitors the vehicle ahead in real time. If it detects a potential risk of collision with the vehicle in front, it will issue a voice warning.
"Vehicle ahead is too close,"
and display a warning icon on the dash cam screen. Rear BSD. The rear BSD, blind spot detection, feature uses footage from the rear camera combined with Vantrue's proprietary AI algorithm to monitor blind spots behind your vehicle. When another vehicle enters a blind spot, the dash cam issues a voice alert and displays a visual warning to help prevent blind spot-related accidents. Before using the rear BSD for the first time, you have to complete the automatic calibration. Once the calibration is complete, the following features will function properly. Lane change assist alarm. While the vehicle is in motion, the dash cam continuously monitors vehicles approaching from both rear sides. If a potential collision risk is detected from either side, the dash cam will issue a voice alert.
"Said vehicle detected,"
and display a warning icon on the screen. Rear collision warning. While driving, if the system detects a potential collision risk with a vehicle approaching from behind, the dash cam will issue a voice alert.
"Rear vehicle is too close,"
and display a warning icon on the dash cam screen. In-cabin DMS. If you have the optional interior camera installed, you can use it to monitor drivers' behavior. The in-cabin DMS, driver monitoring system, functionality, is designed to monitor the driver's condition and behavior, such as signs of fatigue, distraction, phone use, or smoking. Using an interior infrared technology and Vantrue's proprietary AI algorithms, this system detects potentially unsafe behaviors and alerts the driver to help improve overall driving safety. Before using the in-cabin DMS for the first time, a calibration setup is required. Once calibration is complete, the following features will be available. Smoking detection. While driving, the dash cam monitors the driver in real time. If it detects smoking, the dash cam will issue a voice alert.
"Smoking detected,"
and display a warning icon on the dash cam screen. Phone call detection. While driving, the system continuously monitors the driver. If phone use is detected, the dash cam will issue a voice alert saying,
"Phone call detected,"
and display a warning icon on the screen. Distraction detection. While the vehicle is in motion, the system monitors the driver in real time. If it detects signs of distraction, it will issue a voice warning saying,
"Distraction detected. Please keep eyes on road,"
and display a warning icon on the screen. Fatigue detection. While the vehicle is in motion, the system continuously monitors the driver in real time. If signs of drowsy or fatigued driving are detected, the dash cam will issue a voice alert.
Drowsiness detected. Please take a break.
And display a warning icon on the screen. Driver anomaly detection. While the vehicle is in motion, the system continuously monitors the driver. If it detects that the driver may have left the seat or that the face is obscured by a foreign object, it will issue a voice alert.
Driver anomaly detected.
And display a warning icon on the screen. Each feature in the Vantrue Intelligence system can be individually enabled or disabled. You can customize the settings based on your specific needs. This concludes the overview of the Vantrue Intelligence function.